As Montanans continue to rebuild from the devastating floods earlier this month, we've been telling you about local community heroes in places like here in Red Lodge, groups like the Gift Card Brigade. Homes across Red Lodge were decimated when rising Rock Creek spilled into town. But in the face of tragedy, the community has united.
Red Lodge has always been wonderful when it comes to community, and truly we always stick together when it comes to time of need.
And this is just the latest example. The group calls itself the Gift Card Brigade.
For whatever you want it for, and then take a couple drink tokens as well.
Connecting flood victims with unexpected help.
Well, we didn't actually raise any money. This is just people, residents, tourists alike, going into businesses, purchasing a $50 gift card, bringing it to one of the drop places or leaving it at that business for them to bring in, and then it's just filtered through that way.
Gina Pergoff, the owner of Prerogative Kitchen, is one of the masterminds of this community effort, which not only supports struggling businesses, but also those who suffered flood damage. Gift cards Wednesday were handed out to those who suffered damage.
The goal is to give people the money for what they want to spend it for. When you're dealing with a crisis, it's a struggle to want to go and buy yourself a new shirt if you need it, or to get a massage to relax after a trauma. And so the goal is to get this into the hands of people that maybe wouldn't spend the money on a massage or something for themselves, or go out to eat.
200 gift cards have been gathered so far, worth a combined $10,000. Delaney Stewart is one of the many beyond thankful for the unexpected gift. Her apartment building was one of those flooded.
Water in the downstairs area probably made it up to about shoulder length. Everything ruined. All the walls had to be ripped out. All appliances dug for. I am lucky enough to live in the upstairs, but we could not return home, have electricity or water due to the damage for a while.
A difficult experience, but one made a bit easier thanks to these community heroes who are stepping in to help. In Red Lodge, Phil Van Pelt, MTN News.